Good morning. This is A. Malhotra. Welcome again today on my show Gyan Scholars. Development is the need of the hour. It has always been an issue of great concern for us yesterday, today, and even tomorrow. Now the question arises, what should be our development policy and how challenging would it be to make such policies? This is what we are going to discuss with our today's guest, Dr. Apurva Kumar Chattopadhyay, whose book talks about such developmental challenges.
I have got one very popular book published by GAN Publishing in recent past, Globalization and Development, Perspectives and Policies, edited jointly by Dr. Ochirangshu Acharya, Dr. Soumyadip Chattopadhyay and me. More recently, I have published jointly with my co-editor Dr. Soumyadip Chattopadhyay a book titled Development Policy Making, Challenges and Concerns.
On one hand, the book of Dr. Chattopadhyay talks challenges of developmental policies, whereas on the other side, it discusses about eradication of extreme poverty.
This book includes 15 chapters which have been divided into 4 parts. The first part, containing 3 chapters, examine policy issues pertaining to environment and sustainable development, both at theoretical and empirical level. The second part contains 4 chapters that examine various macroeconomic policies, including the recent policy of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. The third part contains 4 chapters under agriculture and rural development, and finally part 4 contains 5 chapters on health, education and basic services, apart from a chapter on crime and socio-economic condition.
This book tries to cover all the social aspects such as policies pertaining to environment, microeconomic policies, agriculture and rural development, as well as crime and socio-economic conditions.
The development challenges that we have considered in this book pertain to environment and sustainability, macroeconomics, agriculture and rural development. These are most importantly health, education and basic services. While majority of these papers or articles that we have included in this book analyze policies concerning Indian economy, there are case studies of Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Ethiopia and Nigeria. It also examines recent policies adopted by the government of India.
Dr. Apurva Kumar further talked about the issues that he took into consideration as far as his recent book is concerned.
The target readers of these books include wide range of people, from postgraduate students and research scholars on the one hand, research scholars in economics and other branches of social sciences, academics, policymakers in government organization and NGOs.
That's it for the day. This is A. Malhotra signing off. We will meet you tomorrow again.